Hey, in this video we can learn about how to install Divi theme and install its layouts. So Divi theme has almost 100 plus layouts. So we need to install pre-made, pre-built templates. So first of all, we need to install theme, and let's go to install layouts. First of all, you need to installation on your host WordPress installation, and then go to some basic settings. Settings, go to permalinks, set post name, go to journal, reading media. So now we need to install latest theme version of Divi. Add new, upload new Divi theme. So I can upload these Divi layouts on Google Drive, and I can add the link on description, so you can load or you can download all these layouts. So I just click on activate. Now Divi theme is activated, and you need to delete these extra themes to release the server burden. So I have deleted all these extra items. So let's go, and first of all we can go to Divi layouts. So I have Divi Premade layouts. So almost it's 170 layouts, 170 files. So I will let you know about two layouts, and in next video we can learn about more about these layouts and more work on these layouts. So first of all we need to go to Divi library. We can complete one website using these layouts. So first, when we go to Divi library, we need to go to Div import and export. So here is export option. If you want to export any layout, just click on, just choose your layout or export. But we need to import these layouts because we want to use on our website. So these are the Divi layouts, pre-made Divi layouts. So first of all, we need to load this content layout pack. So I click on that, import Divi builder layouts. So these are importing. So it's take little time because it's have some images, text, or some other that other content. I can add my affiliate link on description. So if you want to buy affiliate, if you want to buy Divi templates or Divi theme, so you can click on that and buy your Divi theme, and I get some commission. Thank you. So it's importing almost 17%. It take little time to import. So content layout pack, all pages imported. So we need to create these pages on our pages section, and we can add all these pages on website and complete the contents website. So we first of all we delete these pages, extra pages, empty trash. We need to add new page. So first of all we need to create services page. We can use Divi builder. We can also install plugin classic editor. So we can use start building, or we can choose pre-made layouts, or we can choose existing pages. So we can choose browse layouts. So these are the pre-made layouts. If you have buy a theme, so you have API key or use this layout, you need to use the username and API key, but I already have bought this theme, so I need to use my your saved layouts. So here are our saved layouts, which we have imported on this section in DB library. So we can load services page. Now services page is loading. So using this way, we can load all content, all images and all data here. You can see here whole data is imported, so we can do changes according to our need and click to save. The services page is loaded all data, so we need to go to pages, and we can create two page resources page, add new page, resources, publish this page, use Divi builder, start building, browse layouts. Here is our saved layouts. So here is a resources page. Click on update. Now we need to add our landing page. Use Divi builder. Premade, saved layouts, and here is landing page. So here is our landing page imported. We can click on update. We can visit this page. So here is landing page. Now we need to load our home page. Add new page. Home, publish, use Divi builder. So using this way, we can complete our website in just 5 to 10 minutes, and later we can customize according to our needs, our change text or change our images. So here is our home page. Just click on update. After home page, we need to set our fact page. FAQ, frequently asked questions page. Use Divi builder. So if you don't see this option here, just click on start building and click on this plus icon. your existing pages. Here is FAQ page. Simple click on update and our FAQ page is ready. Now we need to set our contact us page. So our fact page is ready. So we need to create contact us page. So here is our contact us page. Click on publish. So we need to add blog page. Use Divi builder. Here is blog page. Click to update. We need to add about us page. Use Divi builder. Now we need to do some basic optimization on Divi, like menu and upload logo. So we just go to theme options, upload our website logo, click to save changes. You can add your social profiles here to save changes. We just need to update our menu, so we just go to menus, add main menu, click to create. So first of all we need to add home page, services, resources, FAQ, contact us, blog, and about us, and landing page. Here is our primary menu. Click to save menu. We can visit website. So we need to set our home page as a main page of website. So we just go to reading and set static page, home page, and post page is our blog page. So hit to save changes and click on logo. So here is our complete website. We can do little changes on website and our website is ready. Here is search option and all our pages. So we have loaded this Divi layout in 10 to 15 minutes, and all images, all content with logo, with main menu is everything ready. So using this way, we can complete website in 10 to 15 minutes. And now it's up to you about your data or contact us page, these settings, these informations. So in next video we can learn about some other Divi layout. Thank you. Goodbye.